Okay, let me show you guys a common mistake first. When we have square root of 1.6, it looks like 1/6, so square root of 1/6 is like just 4, right? 4 times 4 is 16, right? 1/6. So it's 4, and then we have the decimal point right here, so maybe 0.4, right? No, this is actually not correct. Because if we have 0.4 times 0.4, this right here is actually 0.16. Yeah, one decimal place, another one. Yeah, so altogether 2 decimal places. So this right here is actually not 0.4, and this right here is actually not 0.3. Yeah, in fact, they are irrational. Another common mistake is a lot of people will just do square root of 1.6 plus square root of 0.9. They will just add the numbers inside, this plus that, and they say this is square root of 2.5. And then they say this is 0.5. No, this is also incorrect. When we're trying to combine square roots, we have to make sure we simplify them first. It's almost like getting a common denominator for fractions. So do not just add the numbers inside. Now, here is the correct way to do it. When we have square root of 1.6, we are going to look at this as 16 over 10, right? One decimal place, so 10 on the bottom. And then we add square root of 9 over 10 for the 0.9. Told you, it's like adding fractions. Okay, and then when we have square root of the top and also bottom, right? Especially they are just positive, so we can just do square root of the top and square root of the bottom. So we'll just have square root of 16, which is 4, and then we do square root of 10, and just keep it for now. Likewise, this, we add square root of 9, we can do that, that's 3, over square root of 10. It's not perfect square, again, just leave it. We are adding fractions with this and that being the same denominator, right? So we can just add the top. 4 plus 3 is 7 over square root of 10. Take a look. This is not 0.7. In fact, we will have to multiply the top and bottom by square root of 10. This way, we see square root of 10, square root of 10. On the bottom, we just get a regular 10. On the top, we just keep it 7 square root of 10. So this right here will be the best answer, which is answer choice C. So this is the classic rationalize the denominator. And if you want to see why we rationalize the denominator, you guys can check out the video that I've made for you guys before. So yeah. Otherwise, I could have just stopped it right here, but it wasn't one of the choices. So that's it. For more math videos, you can check out my playlist over there.